In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make balance adjustments in Xero's Cash Flow Manager. By the end, you'll know exactly how to tidy up your cash flow view when small discrepancies or timing differences need a clean, controlled correction. First, log into Xero using your usual secure method and make sure you're in the correct organization if you manage more than one. Once you're in, head straight to the reporting area. This is your home base for insights, and it's where the Cash Flow Manager lives. From the reporting screen, select Cash Flow Manager. This tool gives you a dynamic look at cash coming in and going out, and it's especially useful for understanding how your bank movements align with your operational activity. If something looks slightly off, like bank fees that haven't been captured elsewhere or timing mismatches, this is where a balance adjustment helps you present a clear, accurate picture. On the Cash Flow Manager page, find and click Bank Options. This menu houses settings specific to how your bank activity is summarized. From there, open Balance Adjustments. Think of this area as a controlled space to fine-tune your balances without altering underlying transactions. You'll now choose between Input Total Adjustment or Adjust Per Account. Pick Input Total Adjustment if you want to apply one overall correction across your cash position. This is ideal for small global tweaks, or when the discrepancy isn't tied to a single bank account. Choose Adjust Per Account if you know exactly which bank account needs the correction and you want that adjustment isolated there. This is the more granular option and keeps your audit trail tidier when only one account is affected. Next, enter the total adjustment amount. Use a positive amount to increase the balance and a negative amount to decrease it. Be clear and consistent with signs so the change reflects your intention. If your organization uses multiple currencies, select the appropriate currency for the adjustment. Matching the currency to the relevant bank account helps prevent conversion noise and keeps your summaries accurate. Before you finalize, take a moment to review the balance adjustment settings. Confirm you've chosen the right method, amount, and currency, and that the adjustment aligns with your internal notes or supporting documents. A quick review here saves time later. When everything looks right, click Save. Your Cash Flow Manager will refresh to reflect the adjustment, giving you a clearer, more reliable cash position. If you ever need to revisit the entry, you can return to this same area and refine it. That's it. Simple, precise, and effective. Thanks for watching, and keep your cash flow insights clean and actionable with careful, well-documented adjustments.